Hi everyone, I am at 330 Salisbury Street today doing an open house from 2 to 4. And if you're looking for a home priced under $450,000, this might be a great property for you in East London. We've got 2 bedrooms plus den and a really nice property. I'm going to turn this around so you can kind of see and have a look at the backyard here. So just stepping into the backyard, I'm going to turn this around. You can hear all the birds chirping today. It's a beautiful day here in London. So yeah, great backyard. It's pretty much all fenced in. You could add a little bit of fencing over here if you had a puppy, or maybe you want to keep the kids in. You can hear the AC there running, keeping the house nice and cool because it's hot today. So yeah, that's the backyard. I'll take you back in to have a look at the house. So when you walk in, you've got a little bit of a foyer area here. Bedroom number 1, nice and bright. And this house has really tall ceilings. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but it's really pretty. It's so nice when you can have tall ceilings. This is the den, which I think at one point was a bedroom, but somebody's opened it up and made it into a den, living room, office space. So kitchen area, nice and bright. Everything's freshly painted. This is bedroom number 2 here. Nice big closets. And then we've got bathroom. It's a 4-piece bath. And then we go down into the basement. It's a lower ceiling basement. The laundry is down here. Lots of storage area, as you can see. And we've got a newer furnace. I think it's a 2021 furnace, AC. Hot water tank, only about $100 left on that contract, and it's under $40 a month. And then you've got kind of a newer panel. All of the wires are, it's updated hydro from what we can see here, copper lines, and then your plumbing is PVC for the most part, from what I can tell. Let me double check. Yeah. So yeah, that's the basement. Comes with the washer and dryer and all the appliances. A little bit more storage here. And then we're back up to the main floor. And this is the doorway to outside. There's the AC. Yeah, so there you have it. Come on out, book a showing. I'd love to show you the property. If you weren't able to make it out today, please feel free to contact me, and I would love to show you this property.